Okay. Bu Dewi.
Yes, okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Hi. Hello, how are you doing today, class?
Fine, ma'am.
I'm fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Hopefully you are great, happy, and healthy. Okay, before we start our lesson today, I need the leader of the class, Raden. Radit, okay, to lead the class. It's time to you. Okay, it's yours.
Okay. Attention, please. Let's pray together. Finish greeting to the teachers. Good morning.
Good morning,
ma'am.
Good morning, all the students. Okay, nice to meet you. Nice to see you here again. Okay, before we start lesson, let me ask you, let me check the students here. Is there Lila? Are you there? Okay. Rini?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Novi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, all the students is full class today. Okay. Well, before, let me check again. Did you still remember about the last lesson? Anybody know?
About adjective, ma'am.
Great. Okay, that's about adjective. Okay, great. What's the adjective means in bahasa?
Kata
sifat.
Okay, kata sifat. Okay, let me share screen. Okay, saya ada warming up. Kita warming up dulu ya. Okay, well, wait a moment. Saya share dulu screen-nya. Everybody can see my screen?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay, wait a moment. Sebentar ya. Okay, here they are. Okay, I have games. Do you like games?
I like so much.
Yes. Okay, let's see my games here.
It's picture of me.
Okay, that's about adjective. Okay, can you see my screen here?
Yes, I see.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Let me check your let me open. Oh, okay. Who wants to see this? Okay, who wants to read this one? Talkative. Okay, who wants to make a sentence by using talkative? Anybody want to say make a sentence by talkative?
Me, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
My sister is talkative.
Oh, great. Talkative means in bahasa cerewet. Oh, kakaknya cerewet ya. Okay, next. The second. Patient. Oh, okay. Who wants to create sentence by using patient?
I'm a patient.
Oh, you're patient. Of course, you're patient, Mary. Okay, next. The second. The third. Honest. In bahasa, you can say jujur ya. Okay, wants create a sentence by using honest?
She is honest person.
Okay, great, Aisha and Radit. Okay, next wants to say, okay, wants to create again, shy. The sentence by using shy.
I'm so shy.
Oh, you're so shy. Oh, you're so shy. Okay, not shy, okay. Confident. Okay,
I'm very confident.
Yeah, you're confident, of course. Next again, the last.
He is funny.
Radit is funny.
Radit is funny.
Okay, that's all about our Yeah, that's about warming up. That's enough. Okay, and the next, let's go to my PowerPoint here. Everybody can see my PowerPoint. Bisa lihat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, describing
Yes,
people.
describing
Okay.
people.
Okay. How in bahasa describe?
Menggambarkan.
Menggambarkan.
Okay,
Ini
great.
orang guru
Okay.
semua ya, ma'am.
Iya ya. Oke, pintar semua nih kelas 8D ya. Ya, tadi kita sudah play ya. We have played about adjective. Tadi sudah warming up. Next. Okay. I need participant to read this text. Who wants to read this slide?
Me, man.
Yes, please, Imam. Okay, thank you, Imam.
Yes.
Your turn.
Descriptive text is a text which say what a person or a thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing.
Okay, great. Next, continue, Imam. Okay.
According to Pardiono, 2007, 34, descriptive text has generic structure as follows. Number 1, identification, a part of paragraph of description text which tells a topic and characters that would be described.
Okay, great. Number 2.
Description. Description is a part of paragraph of description text which tells the content of describing the particular persons, places, or things. It can include physical appearance, character, temperament, behavior, and so on.
Okay, thank you, Imam. Okay, thanks for reading.
You're welcome.
Okay, the next. Silakan, ada gambar nih. Anybody know Alwi Assegaf and Alisa Subandono? I think all the students know.
I know
him.
Alisa Subandono so well, man.
Yeah. Oh, Radan is look like Alwi. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, here from the text, nah, ada teks di sini ya, ada beberapa deskripsi dari Alwi Assegaf, and Alisa Subandono. Boleh dilihat ya, Nak ya. Nah, dari sini boleh saya minta tolong, I need the participant to describe Alwi. Who can answer that? Siapa yang bisa jawab? Yuk. Ada yang bisa bantu? Who wants to help me?
Me, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, your turn. Yes, please, Rini.
Alwi Assegaf, his face is square, his eyes are brown,
Okay, great.
he is short, his hair is wavy and black, he is slim, and he has light skin.
Okay, do you know Alwi Assegaf? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, he is a famous actor. Okay, thank you. Next, the second picture, Alisa Subandono. Siapa yang bisa coba?
Me.
Alisa. Yeah, your turn. Please, Novi.
Okay, ma'am. Alisa Subandono is tall. She has oval face. She has got brown eyes.
Okay. Next. Okay, this is I have video. Maybe you can watch the video before we continue our lesson. Let's see.
In this video, we will learn how to describe people's appearance and personality. Here are some adjectives we can use to describe someone's personality. Honest, talkative, shy, funny, outgoing, nice, patient, confident. What's she like? She's honest and patient. What's he like? He's funny and kind. There are many things we can talk about to describe someone's appearance. Let's look at each one in turn. To talk about someone's attractiveness, height, and weight, we can ask one simple question. What does she look like? She's cute. She's pretty. She's beautiful. He's handsome. He's short. He's average height. He's tall.
Okay, thank you for watching the video. And next, I have slide the picture of describing people and general appearance. Nah, di sini bisa kalian lihat ya untuk menggambarkan age, build, eyes, face, and mostly general appearance. Di sini ada apa? Everybody, could you repeat after me, please? Beautiful.
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 Beautiful. Pretty.
Pretty.
Reading.
Okay, elegant.
Elegant.
Funny.
Funny.
Cute.
Cute.
Handsome.
Handsome.
Okay, after this, the activity, okay, I need the student to describe your classmate. Please describe one of your classmates. Okay, choose one of your classmates and then please answer this one. What does he look like or she look like, and what does her or his personality? Who can answer that? Siapa yang bisa jawab? Yuk, saya kasih poin nih, tambahan yuk, additional point yang bisa jawab. Ayo, come on. Yuk, ada yang bisa jawab? Siapa yang mau describe temennya? Ayo, yang saya mau tambahkan nilainya ada Raden, Radit.
Okay, ma'am, I try.
Yeah. Try to answer.
I try to describe Pandi.
Oh yeah, okay. Yes.
Pandi, he is very tall and he is not handsome, but it's very cute. And then
Okay,
he
cute.
has brown skin, and her nose is very apa tuh, Mam, kalau pesek itu, Mam?
Hook nose, yeah. Flat nose.
Flat nose.
Okay, yeah, mostly of Indonesian people most.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Oh,
Radit.
sorry.
I'll
Okay,
give
thank
you additional point, ya. Thank you, Radit, dapat
Thank
nilai
you,
tambahan
ma'am.
dari saya. Okay,
Thank
great.
you.
For the next slide, continue or stop? Lanjut ya. Oke, ini ada generic structure ya. Oke, di sini masih ingat generic structure dari descriptive text? Ada apa? There are two kinds of generic structure. Identification and description. Kalau identification ada di the first paragraph ya, udah jelas di sini, it's clear. Oke, next ada di sini yang the secondnya description. Ada yang bisa bantu saya? Who wants to be, who can answer my, who need, okay. Describe, please. Okay. Ada yang bisa bantu saya untuk mention describe of this text? Okay, yeah. Please, Lila. Okay. Maybe you can mention one or two.
Brown hair, eyes, and white. He is loyal and shy.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you. Okay, after this, I will make a group. Please, okay, I want to divide into 3 groups. Okay, please read the text and then you can find out your friends to read the text. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay. Oke, time's enough. Thank you. Ya, sudah dicek temannya bacanya? Ada yang bisa bantu saya? Cek bacaan temannya, apakah ada yang sulit, kata-kata yang sulit, atau ada yang salah baca? Ada yang bisa bantu saya? Halo? Halo?
Saya bantu
Oke.
cek bacaan Pak Radit.
Oh iya, silakan Lila. Thank you Lila.
Salah pengucapan di intelligent sama pointed nose.
Oke, thank you Lila. Oke, that's Iya, gimana bacanya? Intelligent ya, intelligent and pointed nose.
Tadi intelligent bacanya saya.
Iya, intelligent ya. Oke, thank you. Oke, this is work group. Saya sudah bagi tadi ya, sudah bagi 3 grup. Oke, ada grup. Oke, the first group, the second, and the third. Silakan buka bukunya nak. Open your book, page 56, and please describe the pictures on your book. Silakan bekerja kelompok. Saya kasih waktu 5 minutes. Oke, 5 minutes to now to describe the picture based on the picture on your book. Okay, finished? Okay, okay, the leader of the group 1. Okay, Mary, is that you, Mary? Can you describe Oki Dewi?
Okay, Miss. Oki Setiana Dewi is wearing hijab. Is smart.
Okay, nice.
And
Thank
she
you.
has got face.
Okay, great. Thank you, group 1. Okay, the leader of the second group, Elanda, are you there? Elanda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you. Yeah, your turn.
Khabib Nurmagomedov is humble person. He is a professional wrestling athlete, and he is disciplined person.
Okay, great. The second group is great. Okay, the third group, Teguh Wisnu. Okay, Mary. Oh, not Mary again. Maybe Novi. Hello, Novi.
Yes.
Okay, can you describe? Yeah, Teguh Wisnu. Okay, almost.
Teguh Wisnu is an actor. He has got bear. He is funny person.
Okay, great. Thank you for all the students of the activity describing. Okay, let's just summarize. Once again, descriptive text. Okay, I need a participant or a volunteer to read this one. Let's summarize. Siapa yang mau bantu baca? Bisa bantu?
Me, ma'am.
Ya, silakan.
Elanda. Oh, Elanda.
Ya, Elanda. Oh, ya, Elanda, silakan. Yuk.
Okay. Descriptive text is a text which say what a person or a thing is like. And then its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. And the last descriptive text has the structure as follows: identification and description.
Okay, thank you. Did you get the point, all the students? Did you get the point?
Yes,
Okay, because time, Ina, thank you for today. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to next meeting, we are going to describing animal. Because that's enough. Say hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you. See you next week. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ibu Dewi, for your good teaching presentation. And please, Ibu Lila, Pak Wandi, Ibu Hijriah, to give your comments to Ibu Dewi's presentation, please.
Yes.
Ibu Lila.
Yes, sir. Thank you. For Ibu Dewi, we start from in here, yeah. We start from 9:46 and finish 10:03. Lewat dikit ya ini waktunya. Kemudian entah terawat atau bagaimana, saya ya itu tidak melihat tujuan pembelajaran tadi kayaknya di learning purpose-nya.
Oh, baik.
Tadi tidak terlihat itu, tapi for overall the sequence of the teachings it's very good ya, interaktif, kemudian susunan untuk step-stepnya itu udah bagus dari awal sampai akhir, semuanya bagus. Cuma itu aja dari tujuan pembelajaran di awal saya udah melihat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, that's a bit I didn't listen part of Ibu Lila's comment. It's okay. Now, Pak Wandi.
Right, sir. For Mrs. Dewi perform, I think it's good, very good, completely good from the opening, the content from until the closing. But I have the suggestion for Mrs. Dewi in the opening. You spend 5 minutes in the opening, so all of them you spend 17 minutes, and you can add the tujuan pembelajaran and the motivation quote maybe in the opening. What is the interest from your program? You can stay focused while your baby is crying. This is amazing, I think. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pak Wandi.
Okay, thank you very much, Pak Wandi. Now, Ibu Hijriah.
Yeah, thank you, Pak. Next, Ibu Dewi, Mem Dewi
Ya,
Fitriani, ya.
Ya, betul.
Okay. Mem Dewi, I see you perform this morning. It's very complete for your explain about the narrative text, but you get about the what is the describe people. Yes. Yeah. And then I see the tujuan pembelajarannya ada, oke, terstruktur, semua poin-poinnya dapat ada. Next, indikatornya kita Anda ya, Ibu Dewi bisa lihat dari KD-nya, ya kan? Anda ambil terkait dengan mendescribe orang, mendescribe. Nanti di indikator situ juga nanti dipilah bahwa hanya terkait objeknya orang tuh siapa begitu ya, nanti dicantumkan begitu. Ya, Ibu Dewi.
Baik.
Oke. Ya, demikian seperti itu yang dari saya, Pak. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Ibu Hijriah. All right, now it's my turn. Yeah, overall the presentation is excellent. What is interesting from Ibu Dewi Fitriani's performance is just like Ibu Sita Isa. Your face is so optimistic and sweet, yeah. So students is interested in attending your lesson, ya. Jadi yang saya lihat dari penampilan Ibu Dewi itu orangnya sweet, maksudnya dua Ibu Siti. Jadi siswa akan tertarik untuk mengikuti pelajaran karena ramah, ya, kind, ya. Lalu sweet dalam pengertian orangnya optimis, ya, senyum, ya, dan lain-lain. So it's a very good start of your teaching performance in the class. Probably what I need to underline is in your conclusion, you showed to us, okay, the summary of the descriptive text only include social function, generic structure. What about the language features? Will you teach it next time or 2 days together?
Kemarin sudah ceritanya.
Oh, sudah. Yang itu yang adjektif itu ya?
Ya.
Oh, gitu. Oke. Tapi saya nggak mendengar language feature yang secara komplit. Karena adjektif salah satunya, tapi kayak misalnya menggunakan simple present, menggunakan hal-hal lain itu yang belum dijelaskan secara, mungkin kalau sudah dijelaskan last week or yesterday, please underline the important points of what you explained yesterday, karena yang dijelaskan memang begitu mengconnect antara adjective and then with the describing people, itu koneksinya bahwa itu jelas adjektif bagian dari apa yang akan dibahas in descriptive text, tetapi kemudian nggak digarisbawahi di summary, walaupun summary mungkin cukup ditambahkan di your oral explanation untuk menambah yang summary tadi, sehingga students have complete ideas of what this text consists of. So social function, generic structure, and language features. Seperti itu. It's good for you to remind your students to say that next time you will discuss about describing animal. Okay, that's because descriptive text is text to describe person, animal, thing, even event, bahkan kejadian juga bisa. Okay, thank you very much. So your activities in the main part of your lesson, which is grouping students. Yang pertama meminta siswa untuk to read it loudly, ya, berarti itu mengetes pronunciation, one thing, berarti speaking. Lalu ask students to find any difficult words. Lalu tadi Ibu Lila menyatakan, iya ada intelligent, bagaimana cara mengucapkannya. Itu berarti pronunciation satu hal, tapi juga vocabulary. Lalu ada tadi, cuman untuk yang mungkin karena this is because of peer teaching, ya, jadi memang tidak digali mendalam. Activity yang grouping menjadi 3 grup, menjelaskan Tugu Wisnu, menjelaskan siapa? 2 lagi.
Ada ya, Oki Setiana
Dewi. Dengan satu lagi Kabib Nurmadov, ya. Ya, itu kurang lengkap, jadi kalau digali lebih bagus. Tapi it's okay, karena memang seperti pre-memory saja, yang penting semua sudah dilewati. Jadi grouping sudah dilewati. Ya, thank you very much Ibu Dewi for your presentation. Overall, it's great. Yeah.
My pleasure.
Okay, let me just stop the recording for you, Ibu Dewi.